Now quickly we're just gonna go over some blocks that we used in our app. So on the main screen, whenever screen we use the hamburger button and to be able to open up the menu, and in this instance we have used the submit button for educational resources for the email address to be placed in Google Sheet, and thank you sound, I'm sorry, thanks sound, and, when the page starts. In Benefits app, again, the menu was used, and welcome to the page. And info, there was a lot of work in this one when we had to tie it in a data viewer list, the Google Sheet, come up with images or a JPEG for 9 websites, and tile that in to the info screen too, or text displays items, picture displays image, and text displays description, and so that took quite some time. For sources, we had to use each button would have their own link, and then for quiz we would use list viewer to come up with the questions for both of the questions, and then for survey we use to create a row in educational resources in sheet 2 when a survey was input. And again, thank you for your time, so people know that they have submitted the survey.